So after creating your profile, after creating for your Facebook business pages, to start create by ads using for Facebook Ads Manager account. That is called Manager account. That will be created by facebook.com/manage. Facebook.com/manage. Here we can totally create ads or 13 type of ads will be created. How many ads? Totally 13 type of ads. The ads will be, I'll show you. Go to Ads Manager. Any payment process, any ads will be created using by Manager account. As are to create will be two types. But any payment process we are adding for only for Facebook Manager account. See the type of ads. Total ads will be created by the 13 type of ads. This will be here. Brand awareness, reach, traffic, and engagement will be three types. Post engagement, page likes, event, response. App install, video views, lead generation, messages, conversion, catalog sale, and store traffic. Total 13 types. In this, I'm selecting for particular one ad is called reach. Reach nothing but your website, particular reach. Select your reach. Reach for which page? I'm selecting for sample ad. And before creating ad, they give two options. First of all, campaign select by here. Daily budget and your cost. Before create campaign, your budget will be fixed by your before campaign. Not interested. Second one, A by B test. Nothing but your create your placement, audience, and deliver optimized strategies. That is set by your one by one audience. Okay. Creative, deliver optimization, audience, placements. So right now I'm not set any option. So before create campaign, I'm not set any kind of placements. These are the before campaign. They are asking for two options. A by B test. They're showing for creative, deliver option, audience, placements. Second one is showing for variable, campaign budget. Nothing but the budget will be daily and month. So once you select the first one, don't select by second one. Once select by second one, we select by first one. Some option will be different. So yeah, select it. First one will be disabled. Second selecting, first one selecting. Second one is a disable. These are the options. Any one will be select. Any one we can select. Please write down. A by B test. Support by four options. Creative, delivery option, audience, and placement. That is called A by B test your creative. Second one, campaign budget optimization. Your daily budget and the lowest cost. Daily budget and the lowest cost. So before campaign, I'm not selecting two options is called. Why I'm not selecting is called. My option will be I'm not understanding first of all. So after create a campaign, I'm selecting for my particular budget and the optimization. That is called I'm not selecting for two options. A by B test and your campaign budget. Click for continue. Set up your ad name. Sample ads. After that, what is that? Facebook page. Select your Facebook pages. What are the pages you have to promote it? I'm setting only for one page. This will be set by here. You can create by any new page. Create by here. So always looking for arrow. And always will be middle. That is for arrow will be showing for up arrow. Nothing but the ad will be error. That is called select your placements. I'm not selecting for any custom audience. Means any particular custom audience I'm not selecting any time using by ads. Now my location is only for Hyderabad. You can see arrow in the right side. How much? Middle 7.3K to 41K. This is the reach. 7.3K to 41K reach. Scroll down. Age 18 years to 65 plus. I'm target only for up to 55. Gender male or female. I'm setting my language only for English. Reach will be down. All language will be different. English will be different. 8.1K to 35K means 8,100 to 35,000. So target audience only for digital marketing. Any target audience select by the interested audience. Don't use it for job. I'm not promoting for job. Targeting only for interested. Interested is the audience. Audience will be 9.5K to 20K. Here viewers will be increased and up to reaching viewers will be decreased. Previous only up to 8.5K will be reached. Now will be 1000 will be increased. So 9.5 is the optimized. 9,500 will be reached up to 29,000. In between reach. 9,500 will be guaranteed. Up to 29,000 will be in between the audience will be reached. After that, this will be your connection type. Means exclude people who like your page. Why? Because I'm already selecting my page. Yes or no? For the page, Digital Rakesh. Digital Rakesh already page likes are people are already there. So I'm not target the who like my page, the audience. I'm target the new audience. Select by the new audience. Clear? Now click for save audience. The options will be lot of options are there. My target is the exclude people who like your page. Other people like members, I'm not targeting. I'm target the new customers. Save this audience. Location, people, age, language, and interested category. Save. Next. What is my target? Reach or impression. Reach nothing but people can reach by click purpose. Impression nothing but they see your ad. Which one we can more target? I'm target by the reach. Why? Because I'm reach my business. Reach my business. So daily budget. I'm adding for 35 rupees. Not accepting. Why? Any Facebook budget minimum adding for 40 rupees. How much reach? 2,900 to 9,600. 2,900 will be guaranteed up to 9,600. Maybe 8,000 each, 7,000, 6,000. Budget, your tax will be 50 rupees. Frequency capture 1 to 7 days. Not interested. Down the price 3 days, 4 days. Tax and your rupees. 40 is adding for your particular days. And when you get charged impression, when people are just coming to your Facebook, just scroll down, they can see your ad, they will be charged. Right? Reach will be already exist. The ad will showing for right column and here also. When see your ad, the amount will be deducted. That is called reach. Audience, when see your business, automatically amount will be deducted. That is called the showing for more reach. 2,900 to 9,600. After that, click for continue. Final stage is called add your image and option. So this is my page. This is my profile. Image or video. Image will be ready. The ad will be showing for total 17 steps. Total 17 category. The categories are, first of all, we can write down mobile news feed, desktop news feed, instant articles. This is a desktop news feed, instant article, Facebook, instant video. Why? Because I'm not at the video. So they can't display. Instant video desktop, they can't display. No video. Suggestion video, no video, no ad will display. 3 will be lost. Out of 17, 3 will be lost. Next, one more. 4 will be lost. Mobile marketing place. Okay. Facebook stories. This also will be checked. No. This also not accepted. Instagram feed accepted. Instagram stories accepted. RE network accepted. Total 17. 5 will be not working. RS network media working. RS network native working. RS network banner working. RS network medium rectangle desktop working. And RS network instant video ads not working. Why? Because no video. Out of 17, 6 will be not working due to no video. Remaining 11 will be working. How many? 11 will be working. Please write down. Any ad creating for about reach. Any ad will creating for Facebook reach. Total 17 ads. Total 17 ads. Total 17 ads. 6 will be not working. 6 will be not working due to no video. Remaining 11 will be working. So I'm adding for title, adding for website URL. Why? Because reach targeting website URL. Just scroll down. headlines, and add your button. The button learn more, apply now, book now, call now, contact us, download or get direction and get code. Give by call now. So the ad will be showing for here by using for desktop field. Directly, any mobile user call now will be accept. But my target will be two, call now and website traffic. Here is a website, he will be call now. Suppose we can direct transfer to your website. Simple click for learn more. Two advantages. They can see your reach and they go to your website traffic. Finally, they can see your total codes. Finally, click for contact us space and they can call your number. Two advantages. Phone number is working and your website traffic will be increased. Report problem and refresh preview. Anything. Finally, set your confirm. But here one error will be occurred. Your ad may not run due to the image test content will be more than 20%. So any ad will be, sometimes they're showing for header time, they're showing for footer time. It's very important. Before confirm, check by your issues. Check by your issues. Now, simple how to select your change your issues. Add your image. Simple, I'm changing for image. Nothing will be different. So image will be added. Scroll down. Any other? No error. Confirm. So ads manager will be going through a long process. One by one, you can go steps. You can go to easy step, go to simple, go to Facebook page, select your ad, create your ad. But any budget will be fixed by your Facebook Ads Manager. Review, the review accept by the within a 1 hour time. So the review will be late, will take for 24 hours time. So based on the Facebook Ads Manager team working for admin teams. So this is called created by Facebook ad using by Facebook Ads Manager.